Alright, so I thought I'd help somebody out today. Just put an on soundbar, and I wanted to connect it through the ARC on my TV. I got a element. I don't know if y'all can see it. I can't even see it. There we go. Alright, so I got an element TV. I forget the size. Element. There we go. So I got an element TV. Just put it on soundbar. So I wanted to set it up through the ARC, HDMI ARC. Now the thing with the element, the settings says anything about ARC or HDMI. It took some fiddling and searching and finding. So what I found was you hit the menu, and then you go down to TV settings here. Well, TV settings, right? Then you would think you would go to audio, but it's not. It's general. Go hit general. You're gonna get these options here. So you're gonna go down, all the way down to other settings. And what you're gonna get is in link. You click on that, right? And what you want to do, you want to turn that on. And once that's on, you're going to see all these other options come. You got device power off, TV auto power on. This is where it says audio receiver. You want that on. Then you want to check your in-link devices. You check here, and it's very faint. You see Fire Stick, and there's a on.
Okay, I had to pause it here. I didn't really get into what this menu is here. So basically, here, this shows what is connected to the TV that is going through the HDMI ARC. So in this case, I have a Fire Stick and I have an on soundbar. So in your case, whatever audio output receiver that you would like to use or have plugged in, it would show up in this list. It would have whatever, maybe if you have a Fire Stick, you have a Fire Stick, and then maybe whatever brand you have, whatever brand receiver you have. So that's what would show up here.
Stick, and there's a on. I don't know if you can see that. On, there it is. On option is very gray. I don't know why, but you can highlight them. And now I'm on. Click that, but it's already set. So I hit return, turn. N-Link is what you're looking for. Not ARC. It's nothing about HDMI, but that's your HDMI ARC setting that you want to find if you have an element and you're having trouble finding it. And just to be sure, you want to make sure that you have your HDMI plugged in the right port, which is the ARC port. And now mine is about right there. See, HDMI ARC. That's what you want to see. You want to make sure your HDMI is plugged into there before you want to do anything. Again, element.